What's up guys, welcome to howtomath.com. In this video we're going to learn about equivalent fractions. Now there are fractions which have different representations but the same value. So for example 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, what else, 9/18, and so on. So these are fractions that we can reduce to 1/2. So all of these fractions, when reduced to lowest terms, these are equal to 1/2. Equal 1/2. So these fractions are called equivalent fractions. So 2/4, 3/6, 4/8, and 9/18 are called equivalent fractions. So how do we create equivalent fractions? For example, 1/2. How do you make 1/2? How do you convert 1/2 to 2/4? So you multiply both the numerator and the denominator by 2. So this is 2/4. So you're multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So if you multiply something by 2 over 2 or 2/2, you're just multiplying that number by 1 because 2 divided by 2 is just 1. So you can create equivalent fractions by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. Or the other way around, for example 9/18. How do you convert this to 1/2? So you divide both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. So 9 divided by 9 and 18 divided by 9. So that's another way to generate an equivalent fraction of 9/18. Now equivalent fractions will be used later in addition and subtraction. So when you add or subtract two fractions, you get the LCM of the two denominators so that you can create equivalent fractions which are similar, meaning they have the same denominator. So these are, although these are very trivial, but they will be important later. Okay, so we have learned the equivalent fractions, which are fractions that have different representations but the same value, and we can create or generate equivalent fractions by generating or by multiplying both the numerator and the denominator by the same number. And in fact, what we did here is reducing fractions to lowest terms. So when you reduce fractions to lowest terms, you are actually getting an equivalent fraction that is not divisible by any number. No. I mean the numerator and the denominator are not divisible by any number. So that's already in lowest terms. Okay, that's it for now. In the next video, we will learn more about fractions. I would like to invite you to howtomath.com, our website, and our YouTube. Please subscribe. You can subscribe and share our channel with your friends. See you.